Alam niyo anong ulam to? Pork puchero. Ganito lang siya gawin. Mm. Magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam ngayon. Ito siya, masarsa. And it's perfect pag may handaan at may kasama kang kumain. Tawag dito ay puchero. Pero ito siya, pork version yung gagawin natin. So meron akong pork dito. Ito mga 1 kilo ng pork. Konting asin. Sangkotsa lang natin yung ating pork with a little bit of salt. At ihanda natin yung ating mga ricados. Onions. Quarter lang natin. Garlic. Just keeping my garlic whole. Then meron tayong carrots. So ito yung aking aromatics. No? Cutting our carrots into pieces. Usually, baka yung gamit for puchero. But today, we are using pork belly. I will add a little bit of oil. And I will add my aromatics. Carrots, whole garlic, and onions. Lalagyan din natin ang ating little bit of pamintang buo. Yan, around 1 tablespoon. And tomato paste. So, ito tomato paste, mga 2 tablespoons ng tomato paste. At isasama ko siya sa pagsangkot siya para mawala yung parang very tart and acidic niya na flavor, no? So, ito, we're doing this para mag-deepen yung flavor ng ating broth. So, we want to brown this a little bit. At ito, sa Cebu, pag sinasabi mong puchero, nilagang baka lang siya. Pag ganitong luto, may tomato sauce, ropa vieja. No? So, in the olden times, yung mga nilaga mo, pag may natirang nilaga, lulutuin mo siya a second time with tomato sauce para magka-second life. Pero today, dediretso na siya sa isang luto. No? So, unlike the caldereta, ito, mas soupy to siya. No? Soupy and more vegetables. Yan, no? Ganda, nakikita mo yun nasa gilid, oh. Nagba-brown-brown. That really gives it a lot of flavor. And lalagyan ko din siya ng chorizo de Bilbao. No? So I'm adding the sausages to add a deeper flavor to our puchero. Maraming sahog to, maraming sangkap. No? Gisa-gisa din natin. And after that, I will add my canned tomato. Canned tomato yung gamit ko. Add it there. Now, I will add my water. So this will create the broth, our tomato-based broth for our puchero. We will let this simmer and later on, ilalagay natin yung ating ibang ingredients. Papahinaan ko muna ng apoy yung ating puchero. Let it simmer and all the flavors are now developing and coming together. And masarap to sa salo-salo kasi alam mo naman, pagkasama yung pamilya, dapat everybody happy. And another way of doing this is to have different kinds of meat into the pot. Kasi minsan, nagluluto ng ganito, puchero, may halong pork, may halong beef, may halong chicken. So ito, pork lang yung gamit natin ng sausages. And now, you will add your other ingredients in batches. So dapat lumambot na muna yung ating baboy, ha? Now, we will add our patatas, potatoes, and now our saba bananas. Just cut our bananas diagonally. So it will add a bit of sweetness to the broth. Yan. So ito, dahil sa dami ng ating ingredients, the flavors will become complex and balanced. Yan. So you add ano yung vegetable na medyo takes longer to cook, no? So we started with the meat, now we have our bananas, saba bananas, and our potatoes. And usually, nilalagyan talaga namin to ng garbanzos, no? Chickpeas. Remove the water and add our chickpeas. Ayan. We will let that cook again for a few more minutes before we add our leafy greens and let it simmer. At habang inaantay natin maluto yung ating puchero, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel for more recipes just like this. Ang gusto ko dito, kasi alanganin siyang sabaw, alanganin siya na sauce. And ito, ang next natin ilalagay dito, nakalimutan ko lang pala, may mais pa. Add our corn. Super malasa na to. And what we will do now, before we add, mag-rinse na lang itong kulang natin dito. And titimplahan natin siya ng konting patis, fish sauce, and para sa linamnam, ang ating Maggi Magic Sarap. Yan. Eto, dapat yung timpla mo dito, very subtle dahil masarap to may sausawan. So, eto is also very nice because marami rin siyang vegetables. So, meron tayong repolyo, pechay Tagalog, at saka Baguio beans. So, now I will add my Baguio beans. Ganito lang siya. Very traditional to ha. Hindi siya yung hinati. Ganyan lang siya. Let that simmer and cook. Ganyan. And ang ating cabbage, it's just quartered. Ganyan, buo siya. Hugasan mo lang ng maayos yung inyong cabbage. Cut into quarters. Ganyan. And it's added into the stew. Ganyan, ganyan lang. Oh. Then, it will take time. No? So, ito, talagang lutong-luto to. No? Hindi to yung pa-crunchy-crunchy effect. Yan. So, and again, we will let that simmer. Ito, mas matigas kasi itong cabbage kasi sa Baguio Pechay. Add natin yung Baguio Pechay at the end. Cover. Let that steam. Then we will add this last. It will be ready to serve. At eto, maluluto na tong ating puchero. Eto, ang last na lang natin ilagay yung ating Pechay Tagalog. No? And alam mo, pag nagluluto kami nito sa bahay, ang unang nauubos, yung gulay. Diba? Kasi nagiging malasa siya because of the tomato sauce. Yan, no? And options mo dito for sausawan, one, paborito ko, patis at kalamansi. Or, sometimes, ensaladang talong. Imagine mo, sausawan ito, ensaladang talong. But that is a classic. Yan. I will let this cook for a minute. And, luto na yung ating puchero. Napakasarap. Perfecto! Panghandaan, pang salo-salo, pwedeng pang potluck. Pwede mo din siyang iserve for like Noche Buena or a Sunday lunch or dinner. Perfect na perfect. And I will cover, let it cook for a minute, let it rest. Patayin ko na siya. Kung meron kang crockpot na ganito, perfect na ganito yung serving mo. Or gusto mong i-plate na bongga, pwede din. So, eto siya. May plate tayo. So, ito, all these vegetables are arranged in a manner na naka-grouping siya. No? Para maganda siya tingnan. Repolyo. Ayan, no? Then, bananas. Mais. So, beautiful tong ating plato. Bagay na bagay to for the holidays talaga. May mais. Then, nakikita yung carrots for color. Ayan. And ito, kung may matira siya, mas masarap pa siya kinabukasan. Then, we add our pork or whatever meat you have. Pwede din chicken dito. Pwede din beef. So, yung cooking time mo will adjust depending on your main protein. Ayan, okay. Add it there. Konting carrots. Hindi nga nagkasya sa ating bowl, oh. Ayan, sausage. Ayan. Pag ganito yung ulam, hindi pwedeng mag-isa ka. Dapat may kasama ka, di ba? May kasalo ka sa masarap na ulam. And this is the dish that is suitable for those kinds of events in our lives na marami tayong pinapakain, marami tayong kasama. It's festive, it's delicious, and brings so much joy. And yan, gusto natin ng konting pork, gusto ko ng saging, at gusto ko ng vegetable, o repolyo, konting repolyo. Sarap. It's very like familiar and comforting. Pag marami kang kasamang kumain, lalong sumasarap. Look at that. Very festive. Masarap, ang daling gawin, at surely matutuwa yung pamilya nyo. Ating recipe for today, pork puchero for the holiday season. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.